veggies.
So what is that?
Got some corn, then we have some portobello mushrooms with some tomato and some mozzarella.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
Smells so good. Smell like G-head. You know
Yeah.
G-head?
What's that?
It's like grilled mushroom and then put some vegetable, pickle fish sauce. Look at that. It's gonna be good. So today DaDa is cooking for us. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Yummy on the board. Yeah, pretty soon we'll take that corn off and I put those mushrooms right over the heat there.
Let me show my garden. So that is hairy basil or by Menglac, Thai eggplant or มะเขือเจ้าพระยา and red basil กะเพราแดง Thai peppers พริกกระเหรี่ยง so nice and green and that is Nikki. Nikki, hey baby.
Auntie,
Yeah,
Leon wants milk.
Leon want milk.